There's something almost magical about a car that refuses to die. While most vehicles are traded in or broken down well before they hit the 200,000-mile mark, a select group of automobiles have proven time and again that they can go far beyond that, reaching 300,000 miles and sometimes even pushing past 400 or 500,000 miles with the right care. These are not just machines, they are legends on wheels. So what makes a car capable of lasting that long, and which models have earned the title of the most reliable cars in American automotive history? Let's find out. When you talk about cars that last over 300,000 miles, one name comes up before any other: Toyota. The Japanese automaker has built a reputation over decades for producing vehicles that are engineered to endure. The Toyota Camry is perhaps the most iconic example of this legacy. Millions of Americans have driven their Camry past the 200,000-mile mark without major mechanical issues, and thousands have reported crossing 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Oil changes, new tires, fresh brake pads. That's often all it takes. The Camry's engine is designed with tight tolerances and high-quality components that simply refuse to give up. It is not flashy, it is not the most exciting car on the road, but it will be there when you need it. Day after day, year after year, mile after mile. Right behind the Camry in the reliability conversation is the Toyota Corolla. This compact car has been one of the best-selling vehicles in the world for decades, and for good reason. It is affordable, fuel-efficient, and built to last. Mechanics across the United States have shared stories of Corollas rolling into their shops with over 300,000 miles on the odometer, still running smoothly and needing only minor fixes. The Corolla's simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. Toyota did not overcomplicate the engineering. The result is a car that everyday people can maintain without breaking the bank and drive for an extraordinary number of miles. Honda is the other Japanese brand that consistently appears in every conversation about long-lasting vehicles. The Honda Accord and the Honda Civic have both earned legendary status among American drivers who want dependability above everything else. The Accord in particular is a favorite among people who drive long distances for work. Its engine is robust, its transmission is well-designed, and its overall build quality is exceptional. Many Accord owners have crossed the 300,000-mile threshold and kept driving without skipping a beat. The Civic, being smaller and lighter, achieves similar longevity while also delivering impressive fuel economy. For drivers who want a reliable daily commuter that will still be running strong a decade from now, the Civic is one of the smartest choices available. Moving into the SUV and truck category, the Toyota Land Cruiser stands in a class of its own. This is a vehicle that was built for the most extreme conditions on Earth: rugged mountain trails, scorching desert roads, muddy jungle tracks, and it handles all of them without complaint. The Land Cruiser is known worldwide for its near-indestructible build quality. In the United States, owners who invest in a Land Cruiser often keep it for 20 or 30 years, with many crossing the 300,000-mile mark and continuing to drive confidently. The Land Cruiser is expensive, but every dollar spent is backed by engineering that prioritizes longevity above everything else. The Toyota 4Runner is another SUV that has earned enormous respect from American drivers who demand durability. Unlike many modern SUVs that use car-based platforms to improve comfort and fuel efficiency, the 4Runner uses a body-on-frame construction that makes it tougher and more resilient over time. Off-road enthusiasts love it, families trust it, and mechanics respect it. A well-maintained 4Runner can easily reach 300,000 miles, and there are documented cases of these vehicles surpassing 400,000 miles in real-world driving conditions. For truck lovers, the Toyota Tacoma and the Chevrolet Silverado are the two names that dominate the high-mileage conversation. The Tacoma has one of the highest resale values of any vehicle in America precisely because buyers know it will last. Contractors, farmers, and outdoor adventurers have been putting enormous demands on their Tacomas for decades, and the trucks keep delivering. The Silverado, meanwhile, is a testament to American engineering. When properly maintained, a Silverado can haul heavy loads day after day and still reach 300,000 miles. Many working Americans who depend on their trucks for their livelihood have reported keeping their Silverados for well over a decade with impressive results. Lexus, which is Toyota's luxury division, also deserves a prominent place in this conversation. The Lexus LS sedan in particular has been praised by automotive journalists and everyday drivers alike for combining the comfort of a premium luxury vehicle with the reliability of a Toyota. Owners of the Lexus LS have reported crossing 300,000 and even 400,000 miles while still enjoying a smooth, refined ride. This is a car that proves you don't have to sacrifice luxury for reliability. The engineering under the hood is outstanding, and with proper maintenance, the LS will reward its owner with many years of first-class transportation. Now, what's the secret behind all of these long-lasting cars? The answer isn't one single thing, it's a combination of factors. First, quality engineering and premium components during the manufacturing process make a massive difference. Cars built with precision and care simply last longer. Second, preventative maintenance is absolutely critical. Changing the oil on schedule, replacing filters, rotating tires, flushing coolant, and keeping up with brake service are not optional if you want to reach 300,000 miles. They're mandatory. Third, driving habits matter more than most people realize. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and neglecting warning lights all shorten a vehicle's lifespan significantly. Drivers who treat their cars gently and respond quickly to mechanical issues are the ones who end up with 300,000-mile stories to tell. There's also a deeper truth behind these long-lasting cars that goes beyond mechanics and maintenance schedules. These vehicles represent a kind of trust between a driver and their machine. When you climb into a car that has carried you through hundreds of thousands of miles, through road trips and daily commutes and snowstorms and summer heat, you feel something more than just transportation. You feel loyalty. You feel history. You feel the quiet confidence that comes from knowing your car will start every morning and bring you home every night. The cars that last over 300,000 miles are not just products, they're partners. And in a world full of things that break too soon, there's something genuinely inspiring about a machine that simply refuses to quit.